Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a super easy and quick recipe for you, the perfect microwave baked potato. If you're craving a delicious and fluffy baked potato but don't want to wait for the oven, this is the recipe for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest recipes. Now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Potatoes, russet or any variety you prefer. Olive oil. Salt. Toppings of your choice. Cheese, sour cream, chives, etc. Step 1. Prep the potatoes. Start by scrubbing the potatoes under cold water to remove any dirt. Then, pat them dry with a paper towel. Step 2. Prick and coat. Using a fork, prick the potatoes a few times on each side. This helps steam escape during cooking. Next, lightly coat each potato with olive oil, making sure to cover the entire surface. Step 3. Season. Host. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt over the oiled potatoes. This not only adds flavor but also helps create a crispy skin. Step 4. Microwave cooking. Host. Now, place the potatoes on a microwave-safe plate, making sure to leave space between each one. Microwave on high for about 10-12 minutes, turning them halfway through the cooking time. Step 5. Check for doneness. Host. After the cooking time is up, carefully check the doneness by inserting a fork into the center. If it goes in easily, your potatoes are ready. If not, continue microwaving in 1-minute increments until done. Step 6. Fluff and serve. Host. Once your potatoes are done, let them cool for a minute. Then use a fork to fluff up the insides. This will give you that perfect, fluffy texture we all love. Step 7. Add your toppings. Host. Now comes the fun part. Add your favorite toppings. Whether it's cheese, sour cream, chives, or anything else you love on a baked potato. Go ahead and load them up. And there you have it, the perfect microwave baked potato in no time. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What's your favorite baked potato topping? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.